Hi, my name is Lorena and I'm going to describe the general structure of a neuron and the types and functions of neurons. Neurons. So neurons, also called or known as nerve cell, they are very small. The general structure of a neuron includes the cell body, also named soma, the dendrites, and the axons. So the cell body contains the nucleus, the dendrites receive information from other neurons, and the axon has many branches. It essentially is only one, but it does have many other branches. And so we're going to go into the different types. There's sensory neurons, motor neurons, and intraneurons, interneurons. So the first one, sensory neurons, also known as afferent neurons. As our professor mentioned, afferent reminds us of ascending, afferent, ascending, and so that's what sensory neurons do. So this neuron essentially carries information to the brain through our sensory receptors, such as our eyes, ears, nose, tongue. So it carries in the information, signals to our central nervous system. So it's sort of like a sensory communication. So then the second one, motor neurons. So this is also known as efferent neurons, and so efferent kind of reminds us of exit, as well as our professor said again. And so this is when information exits the CNS and it then carries it out to the PNS. There are two different types of motor neurons. So there's the alpha motor neurons and the gamma motor neurons. So the alpha is more common and it's a voluntary muscle tissue, whereas the gamma is less common than the alpha. So lastly, the interneurons. This is different than the two first neurons we talked about. They stay within the CNS and it does not carry in or out any information. It does help with signals to